Hi, welcome back to another One Chart lesson. I'm Matt Toms. Today we're doing the Kaleo song, All the Pretty Girls. This is a song that you'll need to put a capo on your first fret for, unless you tune your guitar up a half step, but nobody wants to do that. So put a capo on your first fret and all the chords become very easy. We're going to need A minor, C, G, F, which you can do like this, or you can do an F/C like this, or you can even do an F bar chord. The chord that I think sounds best in this is the F/C, but I've just put it on your one chart as an F. We'll also need a D minor, and I think that's about it for the song. Nice easy chords, a really nice little catchy guitar riff in there, and a lovely solo as well, which is similar to the intro but a little bit varied. Now the rhythm is a swung rhythm, which means as opposed to a straight rhythm. So a straight rhythm would be, but a swung rhythm is, so that's the difference. You'll find it's easy to do if you kind of don't think too much about it. The swung rhythm sounds like chunka 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 chunka, and the straight rhythm is chunka 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 chunka. Doesn't sound right for this song. So with those chords, and with your one chart downloaded and in front of you, let's go through this song. The intro starts, and I'll say as well, whether you're strumming with a pick or your fingers, take a very light touch to this strumming. It sounds best if you're strumming very gently. So we start with the single A string open, and then 3 strums on your A minor. And if you look at your chart, you'll see how it goes. It goes, okay? Then we move to the 3rd fret of the B string with your 3rd finger. And you slide up to 5. With your 1st finger, take the 3rd fret of the E string. And you're also going to want to come straight back to the 3rd fret of your B string. So you can do that with your 1st finger if, when you initially land on that E string 3rd fret note, you put the tip of your finger over on the B string as well. That's the easiest way to do it. Or you can kind of roll over from one to the other. You'll figure out the easiest way to do it. So you hit that 3 on the B string, play it again, and slide down to the 1. Now, that slide, take it easy, keep nice gentle pressure on that note. You want to keep that vibration going through the string so that when you land on the 1st fret, it's still ringing. It takes a little bit of a touch to do if you haven't done that kind of slide before, but once you get it right, you'll go, oh, okay, that's how it feels. And the note will still keep ringing. So don't rush the slide, but don't go too slowly. And as soon as you get down to the 1, you're playing a C chord, but the first thing you do is play the open D string. So my advice is to get your fingers around a C chord, but leave that 2nd finger off the D string at first, because that's the first note you hear is him playing an open D string, and then he puts it down on the 2nd fret to complete that C chord and strums the C chord. So it's like this. And that same da 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 strum on the C, right? So do the riff again, back to the A minor. The second time you repeat that line and you get to the C, so at the end of bar 4, if you like, of that intro, hold the C. Don't go into that riff again to lead you back to the A minor, because we're not going back there, we're going into the verse. And the strumming for the verse is kind of like this. there's a little bit of an accent on those up strums. So you're going those up strums are where your slight accent on the rhythm is. And an accent just means something that's strummed a little bit more firmly than the other ones. That's your rhythm. That's going to carry you through most of the song. But play whatever you like there. If you're landing on your right chords in the right spot and your hand is moving in time with that swung feel, dun, 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 whatever you strum is going to sound good. And this is another reason why you should go lightly on the strumming, because it's a nice kind of delicate song. So you can make up your own strumming patterns, follow that one, either way. And that's the verse. And every now and then when he lands on that C chord, he starts with that open D string and hammers it on. You don't need to do it every single time. If you hear it sometimes happening, that's what he's doing. Goes through A minor to G and then a bar of C. Goes through those two bars 3 times, and then the 4th time through goes to the F. And then there's a little break, which is like a half chorus without any singing. A minor, G, and C. And then we're into verse 2. Exactly the same way. A minor, G, C 3 times. Then A minor, G and a bar of F on the 4th time through, if you like, the 4th pair of bars. You know what I mean. You can see it on the chart. Hopefully it's pretty straightforward. Then we get to the chorus. Won't you lay me? Won't you lay me down? So it's A minor, G, then a bar of C. A minor, G, and then F, and then C. Same thing again, A minor, G, F, and C. And you see I did the F/C then. Last time through, A minor, G, stay on the G, and then we're into the solo section. So the solo starts the same way as the intro. You go from your 3rd fret B string with your 3rd finger, slide up to 5, play the 3 on the E string, but then we're going to go straight back over with your 3rd finger to, or your 2nd finger would work as well, over to the 3rd fret on the B string again and do the same thing. And then come back down to 5, slide down to 3, and then play the 1. Next bar, same thing, 3 up to 5, and 3 on the E string. Do it again. But instead of going to 3 on the E string this time, we're going to 5. Then back to 5 on the B, slide down to 3, and play the 1. The 3rd bar starts the same way. 3, 5, 3 on the E. Now this time, come down from the 5 to the 3 on the B string with your 1st finger, because as soon as you play that, you're going to go. Now this is a bit of a challenge to get all these notes ringing out, because there's 4 notes that you're going to ring out with these slides. You go 3, 1, 3, 1. Okay, so that takes a little bit of practice to let those notes continue on. Try to resist the urge to keep picking those notes, because you want to hear this. It sounds really nice when you get it clean. After that, open E followed by the 1st fret B, and then at the last play that. Open E, hammer onto 1, play the 1 again, open E, 1 on the B. So let's play that whole thing through because it repeats, those whole 4 bars repeat again. Repeat. Then we move into the bridge, which is a D minor. And I think he pulls it back to maybe 1 strum per bar here, but it might be, there might be some other extra light strumming around it. But G, F, do it again. Back to D minor after that repeat section. 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 3. Verse 3. Same thing for the verse. Go through A minor, G and a bar of C 3 times. Then it's A minor, G and a bar of F. Exactly the same as the other verses. Into a chorus. Now this is single strums for this chorus. A minor, G, C, and gradually that strumming builds up again. A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C, and then the last one is A minor, G, and G. Then we repeat the chorus twice more. And this is where he's going, you know, I will wait, blah, 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 whatever he sings there. As he builds up to the end of the song, it's just repeating the chorus to the end where he finishes with 2 bars of A minor, then G, and then C. And that's the whole song. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find a way to play it and get those slides happening. It's a really nice way to introduce some sliding into your playing. If you haven't done this already so far, sliding is a great way to move around into different positions on the fretboard, and it's just a nice sound. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here again for some more lessons soon. Thanks a lot.